What is going on YouTube? Tom here, and once again behind me we got my baby, my 2018 Mustang GT. So, I know I've been promising you all different mods, and a lot of them just simply haven't happened. Well, money has been tight, but a couple Black Friday deals I saw and decided, you know what, there's one I wanted to do, and that was the Diode Dynamics LED side markers. Come down over here to these stock side markers. As it turns out, I missed one on the LED light, so these are not the worst design in the world, but they're just kind of meh. So you know what, 70 something dollars, why not? Little appearance mod, that's subtle difference. It's probably isn't going to take more than 20 minutes to put in. I say that, me knowing myself, I managed to take much longer to put anything on than, and that's recommended. Alright, box, pretty self-explanatory. Little directions here. First you get your left and right hand side markers. And they are clearly labeled, each one, left hand, right hand. That's left hand, I got my hand here, and this is right hand, so I guess there's really nothing left to do but just an attempt. Sometimes you gotta have some fun laying down on the ground to work on a car. That's what I'm saying. There's at least one of you at home that laughs at me when I say 20 minutes. This is the kind of reason why I don't like to work on my own car. Oh, out. Well, there we go. First one out. The factory marker and bulb. And then just plug on in. Go from there. Okay, moment of truth with any LED. Hey, we got it. It's always a guess, is it going to work the first time or the second time with LEDs? Because the first time you may get the polarity wrong. Oh, and that looks better. Give this another little test. Oh boy, I think that looks way better. Actually fills up this entire marker now. Before this one, it was only this little bulb here. It didn't look bad, but it just kind of was like, eh. It leaves a little bit to be desired. Plus with this, now every last light on this car really will be LED. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of pause the video here while I go to the other side. It's identical to this side. But overall, it took not even 20 minutes. Maybe there's a little bit of an overestimate, but you never know when things are going to go wrong, so see you all when this is done. Okay, so I officially have had one of those who in the right mind moments. So yeah, that is the plug in there. I don't know how well y'all can see that on camera. Somebody just put it inside of here. So now I'm going to have to sit here and figure out a solution to get this out. This is why I say things like this take 20 minutes, because it's going to take me 20 minutes to get this damn thing out. One side works because it came properly packaged. This side does not. See what I mean? Car parts. Alright. There, it only took 2 separate pairs of pliers. I just still cannot believe that. Alright, got a bunch of sirens going off in the background. Just my luck as soon as I back my car out, but overall, we'll go ahead and hit it a couple times here. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with it. Definitely the big challenge is it going to hold up long term? Because, you know, I've got the taillight sequencers. Some of y'all might remember I had some problems with these in the beginning. Of course, now I've got these little lights here, and I've already got Diode Dynamics interior lights, so pretty much, actually, and reverse light bulbs. So I pretty much got everything they make for this car, other than maybe the fourth brake light. I personally don't see the purpose in going to that. If they gave it to me for free, I would use it, but other than my car being so dirty. Of course, if we hit it one more time, I don't know how you can see in the daytime, but of course the front side markers and the front headlights are all LEDs, so now definitely it's the way this should have come, because this is now for sure factory looking. I'm really happy with that. I can't wait till nighttime to really get a good look at it. That's probably what I'll be doing tonight, is I'm gonna go take some pictures for Instagram for that. So once again, if you're not following me on there and you'd like to, link is down below. Of course, I'll put it on screen as well. Definitely take a look at that, because I'm trying to get better at photography. Any support there is welcome. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. What do y'all think about little simple mods like that? Think they really help the look of the overall car, or what? Anyway, if you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Got more exciting stuff to come with this car. Anyway, take care, have a good day.